Hello and welcome. Today's topic is the Rhythm Trainer's Pyramid Metronome. The pyramid metronome design is created to emulate the up and down flow of rhythm. Very similar to the motion of patting your foot, to the rhythm of music. So, let's dive deep into the features of this metronome. First off, if you would like to quickly increase or decrease the tempo of the metronome, you can tap the plus or minus sign at the lower two sides of the pyramid. But, to pull up the full metronome settings panel, tap the symbol in the middle of the pyramid. This will bring the metronome panel to full view. So let us begin. Starting from the left, we have the piano keyboard and metronome volume sliders. Here you can customize the control of these two elements. You can also turn the keyboard or metronome off or on by tapping on their buttons. They are turned on by default. If you tap the green button alongside the sliders, you can control the volume of the main beats and sub beats. The main beats are the down beats of any measure. The sub beats are any part of the beat that occurs after or before the down beat. You can also turn these off or on by tapping on their buttons. To change the sound of the main beats or sub beats, you can cycle through the presets by tapping the main beat or sub beat bulbs. The metronome preset sounds include the cowbell, tambourine, snare, hi-hat and many more. To turn them off, you can simply swipe the bulbs to the left or to the right. You can add main beats to a measure by tapping the first number to the far right of the metronome panel. You can have as many as 8 main beats in a measure. The sub beats are controlled by the second number. The sub beats outline the shape of the pyramid. You can have as many as 8 sub beats to a beat. In the middle of the metronome control panel, you have the numerical BPM, beats per minute, and the corresponding classical Italian tempo markings. Tapping or swiping will move you forward or backwards through the tempo settings. Just below the tempo section of the control panel, you have 9 presets, in which you can save your favorite metronome settings. You can save a metronome setting by pressing a preset number until it is highlighted green. In our next video, we will set up some of our favorite metronome presets. Thank you for watching this video. And if this video was helpful, give us a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any upcoming videos.